Hello all. Shall we go to visit a construction site? Today, we are going to the construction site with Bradley the Builder. In the site, Bradley the Builder will supervise the works, and we are going to watch what are all the works are going in the construction site. Bradley the Builder going near the digger and ask him to do some work. Hi there, Digby Digger. Please dig a trench, so I can check that your bucket is working. Digby Digger springs into the action and quickly digs a trench. Bradley the Builder checked it and confirmed, yes, the digger is in good working condition. And next, Bradley the Builder moves to the crane and commanded some works. Hi, Carla Crane. Please move these blocks there, so I can check that your crane arm is working. Immediately, Carla Crane starts operating its arm. Carla Crane swings around and moves the blocks easily, and also Carla moves the blocks very faster and safer. And next, Bradley the Builder went near the loader and ordered some works. Hey, Lewis Loader, please load the dirt from the trench onto the Debbie the dump truck. Also, Bradley the Builder asked the dump truck to be ready. Hey, Debbie the dump truck, get ready quickly. You are going to get a huge quantity of dirt by the Lewis the Loader and Debbie dump truck. Yes, sir. Already dumping onto the dirt pile, sir, says the Debbie dump truck. And finally, Bradley the Builder looks around the site. He got satisfied with all the works done on the construction site and happily said, "We seem to have completed the job already," he says.